Hello, welcome to Morris Money, where we give you stock tips in under 5 minutes. I'm your host, Morris Willie. What's wrong? I didn't say it yet. Today, we're talking about a company that secretly owns and runs practically the world, or a good share of it. We're talking about Blackrock. Based out of New York, Blackrock provides risk management, investment management, and advisory services. As of January 2022, the company had $10 trillion in assets. Let that sink in. Not 10 million, not 10 billion, 10 trillion with a T. Under management, its clients are spread across 100 nations and it has 70 offices in 30 countries. On July 15th, BlackRock reported disappointing results for the second quarter of 2022. Adjusted earnings declined 30% year over year to $7.36 a share, missing the street's estimate of $7.87 per share. Revenue fell 6% to $4.3 billion, primarily due to foreign exchange fluctuation and lower performance fees. Assets under management totaled $8.5 trillion, down 11% year over year. The chairman and CEO of BlackRock, Lawrence D. Fink, or some of you may better know him as Larry Fink, said BlackRock generated net inflows of $90 billion in the second quarter, demonstrating our ability once again to deliver industry-leading organic growth even in the most challenging of environments. Now, if you look on TipRanks, they have it as a strong buy with the average price target being around $730. That gives you an upside potential of potentially 20%. Over the past year, shares have lost around 27%. If you want to know how large the scope really is, here's a description on Yahoo Finance. BlackRock is a publicly owned investment manager. The firm primarily provides
its services to institutional, intermediary, and individual investors, including corporate, public, union, and industrial pension plans, insurance companies, third-party mutual funds, endowments, public institutions, governments, foundations, charities, sovereign wealth funds, corporations, official institutions, and banks. It also provides global risk management and advisory services. The firm manages separate client-focused equity, fixed income, and balanced portfolios. It also launches and manages open-end and closed-end mutual funds, offshore funds, unit trusts, and alternative investment vehicles, including structured funds. The firm launches equity, fixed income, balanced, and real estate mutual funds. It also launches equity, fixed income, balanced, currency, commodity, and multi-asset exchange traded funds. The firm also launches and manages hedge funds. It invests in the public equity, fixed income, real estate, currency, commodity, and alternative markets across the globe. The firm primarily invests in growth and value stocks of small cap, mid cap, semi-mid cap, large cap, and multi-cap companies. It also invests in dividend-paying equity securities. The firm invests in investment-grade municipal securities, government securities, including securities issued or guaranteed by a government or government agency, or instrumentally corporate bonds, and asset-backed and mortgage-backed securities. It employs fundamental and quantitative analysis with a focus on bottom-up and top-down approach to make its investments. The firm employs liquidity, asset allocation, balanced real estate, and alternative strategies to make its investments.
Wow, a lot going on, and there was still a little more to talk about, but that primarily talked about their offices and when they were founded. Let me know what you think about this stock below. Obviously, as I said before, if we're being honest, it kind of rules the world. It has 10 trillion assets under management, and it has its toe in just about everything. So, if you want something safe and reliable, this might be a stock for you. Let me know what you think about it below. Please don't take this video as financial advice, and thank you for watching Morris Money.